What's up, guys? This is the Vickery Beast, and today I'm teaching you, yes you, how to do the Helium Avuum sound. Avuum, 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 Avuum. Okay, so many people believe that this sound is 2 parts, but it's actually 3. It's A, He just does it really fast and naturally, so it would sound like Avuum, 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 Avuum. Yeah, so, obviously, the first part, or if you want to vary this, you know, he does like boom, 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 boom. But the first part is obviously A, and the second part is it kind of sounds like a phone vibrating, like Pier 1 Imports is having a sale. So, yeah, the second part is a lip oscillation, but not like a normal. It's so, if you can do this noise, or even, then you can probably do it. Just shift like that, but not as much air filling up the space around your lips. Just it's kind of like the spit snare, not the BMG snare. So yeah, that's the second part, and just keep messing around with it and vocalize it. So keep messing around with the tones until you get the right kind of sound. You'll feel the vibration just like, you know, kind of lock into place. I don't normally do this many hand movements, and it's not relating to your mouth at all. I'm just kind of doing them for fun. So sorry my hair's so bad. It's just natural puffage. And then the third part is just basically like a hum. You know, it's through your nasal passage instead of, like, have you ever tried humming with your nose pinched? Some people can't do it. Some people just fill up the space in their cheeks and do it vocally with their mouth closed. But so just So now you've got A, So now just put them together. A, 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 more good me, more good me. Even. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial on the Helium Avuum sound, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you subscribe, you get more tutorials, original songs. I'm gonna start doing some skits or some more skits and just whatever videos you could find on the Vickery Beast, the Luxury Beast, the Fakery Beast, which is nothing. The Vickery Beast Adventure Awaits, the Vickery Beast Tech Reviews, and the Vickery Beast Beatboxing at its finest. So, yeah. Subscribe.